we give you the facts. It's not what you think. Popeye Newsling, Young King, 1 yard, bless.
Good morning, Popeye. Grandma watch Popeyes every morning and every night.
What am I think? What am I think? You're listening to Popeye News Links. This is the Admiral Tibet who I represent, and remember, the time is so serious, cantankerous and dangerous. This is Popeye News Links.
People of Center, St. Mary and surrounding.
Yeah, watch Popeyes, mama.
Here is
Where I watch?
Popeye.
are you an executive? If you are,
Greetings viewers and subscribers. So let me ask you something. Let me ask you something. Have you hit on the love button as yet? If you have not yet done so, remember to hit on it. Also, if you are over here watching our videos and you have not yet subscribed, hit on the subscribe button. As also, hit on the notification bell. Then click all, so that whenever we drop a new video, you will be one of the first to be notified.
Hello?
Good afternoon, Miss Frilly.
Yes?
What you doing, ma'am? My name is Popeye. I run a YouTube channel named Popeye News Links.
Popeye.
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
My condolences. Man, I hear the sad news.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man. But Miss Frilly, me hear you lost two other sons near to there some years ago?
Yes, sir.
Really?
Right up Pearly Beach. Yeah, 14 years now.
14 years ago, the two sons died there?
Yeah, coming from Kitefish.
Oh, they were coming from Kitefish at the time. So what happened yesterday?
Yesterday it seems like him come like him have some problem, some issue with him girlfriend and them in some conflict and him. Me hear that him take up the clothes them in at the 3 o'clock hours. Nobody know where he were. But to me, he was coming up. He was coming home.
Yes.
But I don't know if I sleep way or what happened. But like he lose control of the car.
Oh.
But when he go to Senance, he go alright because he reached there little after 6. And he spoke to all of us and so. When him called me and tell me say him die, we must come back up at the hospital. I was on my way going for clothes for him to admit him at the hospital.
So
neglect make him dead.
So hold on, Miss Frilly. Hold on.
When the whole of the blood.
Hold on, Miss Frilly.
Yeah.
When the accident happened in the morning, who came go to the hospital?
Taxi driver like passed by people.
And you said the accident happened about 3 o'clock or thereabout?
No man, the accident happened about little after 6. I got the news.
Oh.
6 minutes after 6 then called me.
Yes.
The lady called me who is on our way to the hospital. It's a customer from Marmy Bay. We have one shop down here.
Yes.
Because I'm presently at the shop.
Yes.
And she called me and said Jermy is in an accident.
Yes.
But in contrast, it's just the foot. So she on our way with him to the hospital, so we must come.
Yes.
When I reached down these minutes, look after 7.
Yes.
That's about because they have to look taxi and stuff. Anyway.
That is the sentence be hospital.
Yes.
Yes.
When I go down there, them say they carry him gone an X-ray, but I walk up there and I see him on the stretcher coming down. Me tell him, say, respond to me if you can. Just say, And me say, me know me not gonna ask you if you're alright. Because you're not alright, but remember, say me one. And you need to stay strong for me. He said, Me say, please, hold it, son. Hold it. He said, and shaking it and said, I say, you look tired, man, you want to sleep. He said, And then me go down, follow him, go where them put him on the little side and stuff.
Yes.
Him foot a bleed. So them no look after it properly. Them put one piece of something there. Them no try to stop the bleeding.
Yes.
To me, that's what happened. Because the doctor go say, me know say him lose a lot of blood. And him dead way up after 12. Unless there was something other than.
And that me going to ask you, based on what you see, only in foot you see him, which part him got injured?
That's all. Cause even his sister go in and talk to his sister. Yeah.
Yeah? So, you left the hospital, you say, and you go for the clothes, and when you on your way, them call?
12 o'clock.
In the 12
Yeah.
o'clock?
In the 12 o'clock afternoon, when I reach down, cause taxi me I take, you know. So I reach down at the bottom of my hospital where they sell some water. Cause me even go over there and buy one cranberry juice.
Yes.
And I go look for a taxi, then me see the security call me and say the doctor wants to speak to me. When I go there, he must say, remember, if me realize, him get a bad cut. Me say, yes. And it was bleeding. Me say, yeah. He
Yes.
say, well, he try he not get no pulse because of the bleeding.
Oh.
He not get no pulse from him. And him not get no in rectum that on the eye stay still. And the heart stop. So me say, just tell me say him dead. And he say yes.
So hold on. Where on him foot him get that cut when you went there?
Bottom side in knee. Me no see it, you know. Me see where them bandage up to the knee. So
Yes.
somebody, lady say a bottom side in knee, cause them wrap it to go for the hospital.
Yes.
Bottom side in knee. So it's like, PNL one day if your foot stuck in the car and it drag it out and it tear.
Oh. So what the car hit into?
It's he get the police station.
No, when him meet at the accident, what him meet? Why him lick? Why the car licking now? Why lick up in
He
now?
out of the China there building out there, so them a make.
So it's a concrete building lick up in now?
The wall, where them a use the wall.
Oh, the wall. Oh. So the car get no serious damage?
Yeah, man, it mash.
It mash up.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh boy. What's him correct name?
Fidel Roberts.
Fidel Roberts?
Yeah.
How old him was?
31.
What kind of work him used to do?
Shop work, I mean, him work together. Shift.
He was a chef?
No.
Oh, work on shift.
We have a grocery shop.
Yes.
So me and him work shift. Him come in 2 and me come in 6.
Wow.
And him work 2 to 10. Sometimes 2 to 9, depends.
Yes.
So me and my foot, and the only son me have leave.
How many children him have?
2 boys.
Yeah.
Okay.
So hold on, you know. The other 2 were your sons that died 14 years ago?
Yeah.
So you had 3 sons or three are the only
sons. 3 sons. 5 children,
Oh.
2 girls.
Okay.
And 3 boys.
So your sons, how old were they when they passed? 14.
One I think 27 and 17.
So they were driving, coming from the Kite Fest or what?
Yeah, because we went to sell.
Yeah,
So they
oh.
were bringing back some stuff.
Yes.
I was down there waiting on them to come back to pick me. So the same thing like the car get out of control. Look bit beyond Pearly Beach, down at the bottom there.
Oh boy. So this accident where your son passed yesterday, how far away from where your other son died 14 ago? How far?
About 2 minutes. About 3
Wow.
yards. Somebody said, "Oh no, yardstick."
Yeah? And that accident 14 years ago was what time of the night?
It was 4 o'clock.
In the morning?
a.m.
In the morning? Wow.
Yeah, before the morning.
You remember the date when that happened?
I think I did remember about it. I think I 22nd April.
Yeah, 14 years ago. That will be 2011. Yeah. 2011. So, Miss Freddie, how you doing? How you take all of this?
I don't even know me about myself.
Me can just imagine, man.
Right now.
Me can just... Because I'm supposed to come and work today. Come relieve you.
Yeah, I would have any more work.
Oh boy. So the doctor's saying, then him bleed, what them saying, him bleed a lot before him reach at the hospital?
Him bleed a lot before him reach there, but him reach there long enough for them to even if them they cut cut off the blood flow from down, going down.
Yes.
Tie the knee, cut the knee from there, inject it so that the blood stop running. Me feel it will be, he might have more chance.
Yes.
But it seems like the doctor look very young and it seems like him inexperienced.
Yes.
Well, I think that we are going to
Oh boy.
AI, they might do AI test on this, so him look like one of the AI students when I understand nothing else.
Yeah. So when you're going to him say, I tell you say him did a bleed a lot and all this.
One time him pass on, him a tell me say, remember, he call me and say, remember that he had a cut, right? That's what him say. His words. Me say, yeah. Him say, well, you know that he lose a lot of blood, right?
Yes.
Me say, yes. Him say, well, I can't get no pulse. When I try to get a pulse, I may not get no pulse from him.
Yes.
So and him pupils not turn.
Yes.
Just one place. And then try to something they give him ear and oxygen and the heart stop on that.
Yes.
The man tie up his foot himself, you know, man. Come out and carry himself, you know. The lady said when the accident and when she run go there, down there, you know. She see man out of the car, stand up and draw the 6 foot, the cut foot, you know. The husband said when him run down and try to take off him shirt.
Yes.
She tied him shirt and said when him, by the time he must take off, my son take off him shirt already and bend down and tie him foot.
Yes.
You understand me? Saying go down there strong. Everybody's saying strong. Even me. When me go, me saying strong.
Yeah.
So that's the blood when leak there. Because even when they have him on the stretcher in the corner there, him blood will run same way.
But Miss Freddie, I can just imagine 14 years ago you go through this and you go through it 14 years later. You have any photographs with him? Because I'm going to put out the story with him. You have any photograph you can WhatsApp it to me?
Yeah, I can send you one old diagram when I see them put up on something.
Yeah, man, please.
You WhatsApp call me and I send it to you.
Yeah, my WhatsApp you and yes. But Miss Freddie, just go and see it. I don't know if it's here, believe you or me, but boy, I don't know. Just go and hold it here, man, and anything else we will talk again, alright? But more WhatsApp you. Alright, man. Alright. Blessed love, everybody.
Tell a friend about Popeye Newslink and PNL Blog TV. Like, subscribe and share. Quicksilver sing, if we just unite, what a country this will be. If we just unite, Jamaica live in unity. If we just unite, what a country this will be. If we just unite, Jamaica live in unity. Hey, crime it a mash up Jamaica. Criminals them a mash up Jamaica. Jamaicans mash up Jamaica. Oh Jamaica, me sweet Jamaica. Crime it a mash up Jamaica. Criminals them a mash up Jamaica. Jamaicans mash up Jamaica. Oh Jamaica, me sweet Jamaica. I coulda sunshine or rain. Jamaica, no problem, no pain. Rude boy them block out can't tame, but me want me country back. Give me country back. To the street and the lane, everybody them start complain. Bloodshed, what a shame, but me want me country back. Give me country back. Crime it a mash up Jamaica. Criminals them a mash up Jamaica. Jamaicans mash up Jamaica.